Hey there, Mr. Chu here with another Math Minute. Let's see how much you remember from your geometry and pre-calc class. So, these are a little bit quicker review videos, a little quicker than my bare algebra, my bracket geometry, and my tray arithmetic, where they're usually about 10-minute videos that have several different problems there, 2 to 4 problems in each. And then I also have my SAT test prep videos, and then this is a Math Minute. So, there are links at the end of this video on the last screen to other Math Minute videos and to a playlist. Feel free to pause this so that you can get out a piece of paper and try to find the solution. Topics vary, and today's topic is trigonometry. So we want you to use the sine ratio to find a missing length in the right triangle. You should have been taught this in maybe an algebra class if it was advanced, or geometry, or pre-calc. Get out a piece of paper, grab a pencil and a calculator, and let's review finding the missing length in the triangle using the sine function. All right, so if I have this right triangle here, and I've got a 38-degree angle, and I know the side opposite that has a length of x, and the hypotenuse, which is the side opposite the right angle, has a length of 12, we can use the sine of theta equaling the side opposite over the hypotenuse. So it's just a matter of being able to use the calculator and set the ratio up to find that answer. And the sine of theta, in this case, theta will equal 38 degrees. And then the side opposite is going to be my x, and the hypotenuse will be a 12. All right, so I use the substitution property of equality to substitute values. Then on the calculator, and I use a TI 30, and I just take and hit the sine button. See the sign of 38, and it will give me a decimal. Now that decimal just substitutes in, and it's going to give you more digits, but we usually round that to 10,000ths place. So that would be 4 digits rounded. And for your information, the reason that that was always rounded to 4 digits came from before the calculator days, and they were using tables for the trig values. And then we put the side opposite, which is x over 12. Now, we're going to solve that by multiplying the left and right by 12. Why do we do that? Because we want the 12 to cancel out, and that's just to get the x. Now you notice that there is a curved double equal sign here. That means approximately, which means that we rounded that amount. So it's not going to be exact. And when you multiply 12 times that using the calculator, you get 7.3884. And that's the approximate answer, which is why you've got that double tilde, is what that's called. And when we round to the nearest tenth, which is what it says to do up here, let's just mark our screen and show you how you do that. So I underline my 10th digit, which is that 3. Then I look to the right, and the digit to the right is an 8. If it's 5 or greater, you're going to round the 3 up. Well, 8 is greater than 5, so it rounds to 7.4. And that would be your answer. So I could actually go up here and put an equal sign and put 7.4. And you notice that has been rounded. So since it's been rounded, we really need to put the double curved. So before I end this, let's just review the other trig ratios. You could have been taught in your earlier classes SOHCAHTOA. The SO means the sine is opposite over hypotenuse. The O is opposite over hypotenuse. The K is the cosine, the C, A adjacent over hypotenuse. And then the TOA is tangent, side adjacent over side opposite. All right, so that was just a quick review. So I want to remind everyone that it costs nothing to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so please do that. And then there is a link, a long link. You can put that in your browser, or there will be if you're on a computer over here in the corner, there's a subscribe button, and there also would play possibly afterwards. You would see it down at the bottom underneath on your device. Make sure you like this video, and then you can follow me on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook and X. If you have any questions at all, and you have a question for a math teacher and you don't feel comfortable asking, then ask Mr. Chu. I will reply, maybe make you a video. If you're struggling or you know someone who is and having trouble understanding math, give Mr. Chu a chance. I want to explain it to you in a way that you'll remember and understand. So, I'll see you in the next video, and remember, I'm Mr. Chu, and I want to help you understand math. See you in the next video.